Ka ophis jong u District Tuberculosis Gente Hills harangkat ka jingetre lang bat katnat CSR jong ka company Star Cement lom shinong mantakas ngi kila sami ke marbam shakitu ki badon ke jingpang tuberculosis ki badon hais Gente Hill district ya ka program la penlong haflau jong ka clear area CHC but ya ki marbam la no senyang dakatnat CSR jong ka Star Cement lom shinong u DMNHO jong ke East Giant Hill District u Dr. D. Shila u loong bakatnat ka koit ke kia ka don ia ka thong ban yakun ban rat den khong ia ka jingpang tuberculosis kad hadu usnem araja arpusan ulai ku blai ia ka district TV office Giant Hills but ia katnat CSR jong ka Star Cement ki bla ai ia ka jingkashan ia ki bapang TB ki badon hapo jong ka district kumjo ru ulai mensim bat pensilur ia ki bapang TB bakire ban sumar bha ban di dawai tista bakindup koit no kloi na ke jingpang Kibla Ajingkren ki kentup ia u deputy manager jong katnat CSR-Star Cement lumshnong u Kingshok Bora ka district TV officer Gente Hill district ka Dr. EVB Lalu ka balakentu ia kinong pang TV baki dei benchim kia bandi dawai kumbala batha da ki doctor ki nurse bat ki asha khrang bakin koit pat ban light na kajing sapriang kajing pang ki marbam balasam ki kentup ia ki khnai kilo ukhaw lai kilo kadut ka umpunyang bam udai ka peleng na ka benta iwe inong pang TV bat la samru marka wei ka boti ka pradhan mantri TV muk bharat avian ka de ka campaign ka betumai bala plai pai ba da ka president jong kari india ha ka khandai trik jong unailor araja ar ha ka ba kiriu shimen ki seng sign perthei ki NGOs ki corporate ki la ban mi shakmat ban page lem ye ki nong pang TV na ka bata henriu bnai bat la don kam hadu lais nem ban kershan ye ki da ki jingbam ki batei ye ka met ni ka diagnostic vocational training but da kiwe ki benta kani ka scheme ka laban wan ra ya ki imlang sa lang ka balai na ka jingpang TV
yo kem ya ki bru ki watron kam ki bru ki wa en ya ki jo chini lane ki wa en ya uknyang HIV lane ki wa dikiat lane ko biang bam biang di lane ki wa ki bru ki wa em ha ki thau ko chong sa ko bon bru mo dem ne te wan kini ka knyang le yi ko u sapriang no wi bru so wi bru lemba kita ki droplet infection lene ka jing khai ko lene ka jing senria yang pi lene por kelam yang wa sit ki mentu ki mo te daw bi ko no wi bru so wi bru te em kam u utap pi ya ki mas ki yang pi kam tam hawadam tip wat i wato wa yo api ya ka kejut tibi kamwa arte yaw to at least denye ki mas yang pi nang wa ya black pi penbi cha ki witawan ki bru lene cha ki witawan ki wa yung ha sem pi ne thau kre thau chom pi ne ba uniu knyang to wa smart u sapriang mo te la de ye pi ya da u damu khai ko lene damu set ki mentu ne ki wan wa senria pi ya rap ko wo ya da ya ki witawan ki bru ni ba hadin wadi da YPR tiaw kani ka kejut mie won ko open bi che ki witawan dan dadam di da Y wan pi hapo ar tiaw ye ko pen sepriang cha ki witawan ki bru ki wom en ya uniu knyang daga jingkan tu yang i he ni to wa woro ki wo kejut tibi to di ki da Y yang ki man ka sni wo di tikna ki kam da batai ki kong nos ki kong doktor lene ki wan ki wa e da YP kam ki kong asha ne kenang wa yo pi i chat i wa pura ni ba ladam di on pi da Y wa batai ye pi man ka sniu di lada ong pi ngau di a chitiau udama chitiau kate mi rap ko pi kate ya rap ko wo pen sepriang ya ka kejut cheki witawan karo kamte kentu ye pi wo di pi ki da Y man ka sni kenang wa yo lek pi pen bi chekwe yung hasem nyong pi.
Today, from this platform, we are offering this support to the TB patients of Parmapaichelu, from PCSC, and Kilaihat, Sutunga, Rumbai, and one patient from Batawa. So there will be 87 patients altogether within this area, and for tomorrow, we'll having the same sort of program for Lumsunong. There in Lumsunong there are 8 patients, and similarly to the PHC Umkiang also having 5 patients. So this 13 patients will be covered on tomorrow morning. So that materials that we are going to provide for your each patient. Heavily, may I request my teammates, heavily please just open one packet. Heavily, a packet clear. So we are providing here only 7 items, and within these packets you will get there will be 3 liters milk and 1 cooking oil, and dal, masoor dal, and there will be 9 kilo of rice over there, packet there. So these are 4 items. Apart from these 4 items, we are providing you for each patient we are providing eggs. Bring 1 eggs and 1 bucket. So one patient will be getting this pint much of material from us. So this is a support for this 3 months, which effect from January, February, and March. And after that, as requested by district officer, the support should be provided for 6 months. But for next 3 months, maybe means from April onwards, April to June, and we'll take it from our next budget. But definitely we'll do it. And try to provide some sort of nutritional support to the TB patient of the district. In the initial stage, we are supposed to provide 50 patients, but later on, we try to consider for 100%. So the CSR activity of the Star Cement is not only provide nutritional support to the TB patient, as well as we are also providing some other support to the different occasions. And recently our team has done a very good job for this COVID patients also.